So did you know that Florida is home to the most condos in the world? I didn't know this until recently. And guys, condos can be a great alternative in terms of like, hey, I want something maintenance free, easy, or I want something where I don't have to spend a lot of money and get into the housing market. But there are some things to consider. The condo market is changing, and I've had calls with people saying, Jen, my condo bill went up by $200, $300, $400. And my clients are kind of freaking out about that. So when you're thinking about buying a condo, there are a few things that I want you to look for. Number one, make sure that your mortgage company does a condo questionnaire. This finds out what monies that the condo association has in order to fix things like the roof, maintain the painting on the outside. Number two, you need to ask that seller, are there any special assessments coming up? A special assessment, it could be 1 to 2 years where you have to pay an additional $300-$400 on top of your regular HOA payment in order to finance unexpected things like stairs, fixing of the stairs, or having to paint something or repair something that was unexpected. And these things can be negotiated because the seller's supposed to know, and they may give you a credit. I've had it in the past where the seller's like, you know what, I'm going to pay that special assessment so you don't have to worry about it at closing. And you just want to make sure that when you're looking at the condo, guys, this is really important, really simple. How well is it maintained? Like, are they taking care of the roof? Are they taking care of the exterior paint? Because in a condo community, you're just insuring and doing your homeowner's insurance from the drywall in. The condo is supposed to take care of all of those other areas. So if they're falling behind, that could be a sign of a bigger underlying problem. Also, the older condos are having trouble with insurance. Insurance is going up in the state of Florida. So be careful with the older condos. You should be able to get a discount off of the price if the HOA is super, super high. And that's what we're seeing. We're seeing older condos with very, very high HOAs coming down a little bit in value and in pricing. So make it work for you. It can still be a great alternative. Just make sure that you are going in with your eyes open and that you've got a great agent or great representative that knows the questions to ask so that you don't get surprises further down the line.